In times of climate change and rising energy prices, innovative solutions like agrivoltaics are becoming increasingly important. Agrivoltaics combines agriculture and solar energy production, optimizing land use and offering numerous advantages. By installing solar panels above crops, farmers can grow produce while generating renewable energy, making efficient use of limited space. This dual use increases productivity and provides farmers with additional income from selling solar power, enhancing their economic stability. Solar panels also protect plants from intense sunlight and heat, reducing water needs and creating a favorable microclimate. Generating clean energy reduces greenhouse gas emissions, supporting global climate goals and promoting sustainable farming. However, initial installation costs can be high, and integrating panels with farming activities requires careful planning. Innovative designs like elevated or adjustable panels help optimize sunlight for crops while generating energy. Maintenance of both solar panels and crops can be challenging, but with proper management, farmers can maximize benefits. Agrivoltaics offers a win-win solution, diversifying income for farmers and contributing to climate protection.